budget tayo dyan sa shirts.
Ito na yung last. So, i-give na ni Sir Manny ang best niya. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, ready na sila.
Ayun!
There you have it!
Alright!
Thank you so much,
Sir Manny.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang
Alright, thank
ating
you.
boxing legend, okay? People's Champion, Manny Pacquiao!
Ay, meron pa!
Meron pa!
I believe this is the last one. Okay, let's see kung saang area mapupunta. Okay! Alright.
At syempre, kailangan natin ng mensahe from our People's Champion, the boxing legend, Manny Pacquiao.
Okay, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Thank you so much for inviting us here tonight. And I hope, and I would like to invite everyone to watch the game, the NPBL Finals, this coming December 1, 2, and 3. December 2, we have an exhibition team, Team Pacquiao and Team Chris Spade. And the next day, December 3, is going to be this game 2 of NPBL Finals. So I hope to see you there in at the arena.
Yes!
That's right.
Oo.
Diba? At this point now, very special, Sir Manny, itong time natin dahil in just few seconds, makikita natin na lumiwanag ang Global Village dahil sasalubungin natin ito ng fireworks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Ayan na ang fireworks. Display natin dito mismo sa Global Village. Kasama ang ibang bansang kamao, Manny